Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living. This is Thursday afternoon, and I just want to do a quick update on you. We had went to the Sam's Club and Walmart's doing a shopping trip a couple of days ago, and we had been searching for a few items that they did not have. The primary item that we was looking for was the Keystone Beef, and of course Sam's don't carry it, and Walmart was out of it. So what I did, I came home and I placed an order online for some Keystone Beef, and I got 4 cans of the beef. I've got 2 cans of the chicken, and I got 2 cans of the pork. Now, one thing that I like about the Keystone meats, if you read on the back where the ingredients is, this is pork, and the only ingredients is pork and sea salt. There's no other ingredients, and it says on the front it's all natural, no additives, no preservatives, nothing, just the pork, chicken, or beef, whichever one it is. And the reason we normally buy the other type of canned chicken, and I've tried the Great Value brand, and I've tried the Sam's Members Mark brand. I like both of them, but I've never tried this one. I want to give it a try, and I do have a real good recipe that I want to make with some of these Keystone meats that hopefully I'll be doing that sometime in the next week, and I want to show you that recipe. So it was important for me to get this to be able to do that recipe with. When we had left Sam's and went over to Walmart's, we was extremely tired, so we couldn't pick up everything that we wanted. So I did get a few other things and had them on a pickup order. So I'll show you those. All the Keystone meats came by FedEx, and they just delivered them about 30 minutes ago, and I set everything up real quick. Another item that I got, I'd been planning on getting this, but they don't carry it in the store. You have to have it shipped, and I didn't want to pay shipping charges on it. So since I was buying all this meat, I got free shipping and got this sent to me. But these are food storage containers. You can use these in your freezer. They work great for holding food, soups, chilies, and things like that. And I got 2 sizes. It has the 16-ounce cups, and it has the 32-ounce cups. So it's a real nice package. If I remember correctly, this was about $19 for this package. And it's got 6, let's see. Let me get my glasses and see how many is in here. It's got 24 of the 16-ounce ones, and it's got 24 of the 32-ounce ones. So you're getting 48 containers for $19.99 or something like that. So I think that's a real good price on those. We'll set that to the side for a few minutes. Now that was the items that was delivered by FedEx today. The other items that we got on the pickup, Marie loves these sweet tarts, and when we went to Dollar Tree, they didn't have any sweet tarts. But Walmart's always carries them. They cost just a little bit more, so I picked her up 2 boxes of sweet tarts. These are the Werther's Originals, and this one has the coffee flavor, the caramel chocolate flavor, and the caramel coffee. Let's say this one has caramel coffee, caramel chocolate, and just regular caramel. These are all sugar-free, and these have become my favorite sugar-free treat. I like to have maybe 1 or 2 each day, and this little pack goes a long way, so I enjoy those. We also picked up some of our favorite tea. This is the Great Value decaffeinated tea bags. And you know, Marie and I, we drink tea all the time. We are definitely tea lovers. And they don't carry this at Sam's. So we got this from Walmart and had it for today. Also, I picked up 2 containers of the oatmeal. And now, Sam's does carry the oatmeal at a good price. And I actually forgot to get it when I was there. So I went ahead and picked me up 2 of these. It costs just a little bit more, but it's cheaper than making a trip back to Sam's. Okay, and coming back here, there's some 2 other items we got. We got some of the egg rolls that Marie likes, and we got some of the taquitos, the chicken taquitos that I like, but they're in the freezer, so I'm not going to get them out. But we got some of the sweet and sour salts. Marie loves this salts with her egg rolls. Then for our coffee, we need another container of the hazelnut coffee creamer, and this is just our favorite one. It's a Great Value brand, so we picked up one of these. For our sweetener, when we make tea, I'm always saying we got sweet tea, but it's not really sweetened with sugar. We sweeten it with the Great Value sweeteners, and this is the same thing as the Sweet and Low. And we know they're not supposed to be good for you, but Marie and I have been using these for probably 25, 30 years. We've been using them a long time, and we just like them, and we don't use that many of them. Okay, Marie's favorite chips are the salt and vinegar chips, and they had these on sale at Walmart, so we went ahead and picked up 2 bags of these. I'll lay them to the side because they make noise if they're right here in front of me. Okay, and it's that time of year, it's spring, and all the fire ants are coming out like crazy. So I got me the big container of the Amjoid fire ant killer, and this stuff does work. It'll kill them for the season, but they'll be back again next year somewhere in your yard. But I'll get there and treat. I've seen 3 or 4 in my yard already, so I'll get them treated. Okay, this is a laundry detergent, and this is the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin Laundry Detergent. Now, we had bought the laundry detergent at Sam's, the membership mark brand, and it was good. It worked fine, everything, but Marie felt like it was making her itch just a little more than what she normally does, and so she wanted me to buy one of these and let her go back and try this again and just see if this detergent helps her with that problem. So we'll give you an update and let you know, but we've been using this type of detergent for several years now, and Marie has always loved it, but we wanted to try the one from Sam's Club, and like I said, Marie feels like it might make her itch just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. Let me go ahead and show you this right here. We're always talking about our oven seems to be off on temperature. So we bought this little thermometer that will hang inside the oven, and we want to use it to see if our oven is actually heating at the right temperature or if it's cooking too hot. So hopefully this will help us a little bit on that. You notice I've got the tablecloth on here that's a spring design, and this is the little blue and white striped one. And we had this already, and we actually loved it, but it was starting to get a few little snags on it, starting to look bad. So I went ahead and picked up and ordered another one of these tablecloths, and they don't cost that much. I don't remember the exact price, but they're very inexpensive, but they're good quality. Okay, and of course I had to have me some Powerade. I went ahead and picked me up 2. This warmer spring weather, I've been drinking more liquid, and so I went ahead and picked me up 2 packs of those Powerades. This is our favorite cereal, and Sam's Club does not carry this, but it's the Cinnamon Chex cereal, and Walmart has a deal. If you order 2 of them, you get, I believe it's $1 cash savings on it. And so we went ahead and picked up 2 of these because, like I said, that is our favorite cereal that we use in the morning when we don't feel like cooking sausage, eggs, and bacon and all that. Okay, that pretty much covers everything. I think we did pick up maybe 2 or 3 other items that's in the refrigerator. We did go ahead and get 1 fresh head of lettuce. We got some more cheddar cheese that's shredded, and I seem to like the smaller packs from Walmart pretty good. I hadn't tried the big shredded packs from Sam's Club, and I may try it one day, but the cheese that we bought from Sam's Club, I did break it open, and I took half of it and put it in the freezer, and the other half we've got in the refrigerator because it's so much cheese, I don't want it to go bad on us before we get to eat it. And same thing with the hamburger or the ground beef that we bought. I split all that up and put that in the freezer and got it froze up. And on the bacon, I put 2 packs of the bacon in the freezer. So our freezer was full to start with, and it's really full now. Okay, I think I covered everything. Just want to give you a quick update on this. One good thing about it, the cans of Keystone Beef were still $9.88, if I remember correctly, and they have not went up yet. I expect they probably will go up, but they haven't went up yet. I've never bought the chicken or the pork, so I'm not sure how they compare in price, but they were less than the beef. The beef is the most expensive one. If you want to try these Keystone products, you need to try it because, like I said, they're really good. I got that sitting in front of it. You can't see them good, but the only one we've tried is the beef, and we absolutely love it. One day this coming week, I'll be doing a recipe and show you the recipe. We're going to be using beef, pork, and chicken on this recipe. So hopefully you'll get to watch that and enjoy that too. Okay, so that's just a quick update. I wanted to let you know that we did get our Keystone products and picked up a few other items that we needed. We were just too tired when we went into Walmart's to stay in there long enough to pick them up, so we just did a quick order and did a pickup on them. Okay, so y'all have a great day. I'm going to try to post this video so it comes out on Friday, and I think this week we've been able to have a new video every day of this week, and hopefully we'll be able to do something similar to this next week. But our next video that you'll see will be our Sunday chat. So until then, we appreciate you watching. Y'all have a great weekend, and we love each and every one of you. Bye.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're all built and right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling.